Welcome to the final and fifth day of How I Mastered Advanced English in Just 5 Days. In this entire series, I'm sharing with you my experience, my secret tips and strategies as to how I mastered Advanced English in just 5 days. So far, we have covered day 1, 2, 3 and 4. And today is our final day. Today also 20 more advanced English idioms are coming your way. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and in case if you haven't watched day 1, 2, 3 and 4, go and watch them too after watching this video. Without any further ado, let's quickly get started with the video. Hit the nail on the head. That means to find out the real cause of a problem. यानी कि किसी भी चीज की जड़ को पकड़ना. You have hit the nail on the head with that solution. Break the ice. That means to start a conversation in a social setting. यानी कि एक ग्रुप में सबसे पहले बातचीत शुरू करना. For example, I told a joke to break the ice at the party. Piece of cake. That means something that is very very easy. यानी कोई एक ऐसी चीज जो करने में बहुत आसान है. For example, that test was a piece of cake. Spill the beans. That means to reveal a secret. यानी कि किसी राज को बता देना. For example, make sure to not spill the beans about the surprise party. Under the weather. That means to not feel good. यानी कि अच्छा महसूस ना करना. For example, today I'm feeling a bit under the weather. Cost an arm and a leg. That means something which is very expensive. That designer bag will cost you an arm and a leg. Burn the midnight oil. That means to work late into the night. For example, during exams, I have to burn the midnight oil. The ball is in your court. That means अब decision आपके हाथ में. The decision is now in your hand. For example, I have done my part. The ball is in your court now. Bite the bullet. That means to do something difficult or challenging. यानी कि कोई ऐसी चीज करना जो आपके लिए करना मुश्किल है. She hates dentist, but still she had to bite the bullet. Jump the gun. That means to act too soon. यानी कि बहुत जल्दी कुछ कर देना. Don't jump the guns. Wait for the instructions. To pull someone's leg. That means to tease or joke. यानी कि किसी की टांग खींचना. For example, relax. I'm just pulling your leg. On the fence. That means undecided. यानी कि जब आप कुछ decide नहीं कर पाते कि आपको करना क्या है and you are confused. For example, I'm on a fence about going to that event. Back to the drawing board. That means to start over again. That means किसी भी चीज की शुरुआत दोबारा से करना. The plan didn't work. So it's back to the drawing board. Cut corners. That means to do something badly or cheaply. यानी कि किसी भी काम में अच्छी क्वालिटी ना देना या क्वालिटी पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना. Don't cut corners on safety. Hit the road. That means to leave or start a journey. किसी सफर पे निकलना. Let's hit the road before traffic gets worse. Beat around the bush. That means to avoid something directly. यानी कि बात घुमा फिरा कर करना. For example, don't beat around the bush. Come to the important point. In hot water. That means to be in a difficult or troublesome situation. यानी किसी मुश्किल में होना. For example, he's in hot water with his boss. Hey, congratulations! You have mastered 100 advanced English idioms in just 5 days. If you found this entire series to be helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and comment down. How did you find the entire 5-day challenge? And what difference did it make? Support me and follow my other social media handles. Links are given in the description. Share this entire 5-day challenge with your friends and family so that they can also learn and take this challenge. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.